Hi, this is Mike Naraki. Welcome to the Veggie Extra. The Veggie Extra. This is a very early version of the Where Have All the Staplers Gone silly song. So early that that's not actually Larry you'll hear singing. It's Kurt Heineke, who was my co-writer on the song. And at this point, the song was lacking a bit of oomph. It was very sweet, but it just kind of felt slow. And what that led to was us adding a bunch of office supplies, singing along with Larry and Petunia, which turned out to be a lot of fun. And this ending also is a little bit longer, which I actually kind of like. It's kind of sweet, but we trimmed the ending in the final. So I hope you enjoy it.
And now it's time for Silly Songs with Larry, the part of the show where Larry comes out and sings a silly song.
Have you seen the scissors, miss?
They're in the bottom drawer.
I tried that drawer, but they're there no more.
That's odd.
I know, I thought for sure.
Have you seen the masking tape?
It's right next to the phone.
That's what I thought, but now it's not. I guess I should have known. Oh, where have all the staplers gone? What happened to our paper clips? The ballpoint pens are gone again.
Gone again.
The sticky pads have lost their stick.
Do you remember when the rubber bands were in their place?
They're in the middle drawer.
Light bulbs easy to replace.
Yes,
There were always more.
reams of paper raining down.
Raining down.
Legal pads aplenty. Highlighters in every hue.
I remember.
Never less than 20. Oh, where have all the staplers gone? What happened to our paper clips?
The ballpoint pens are gone again.
They're gone again. We've run out of packing slips. Someday my prince will come.
Please replace the toner.
Someday we'll find more
Our
of.
manila folders.
Someday my prince will come.
Where's the printer cable?
Someday we'll find more of adhesive shipping labels. Oh, where have all the staplers gone? What happened to our paper clips?
The ballpoint pens are gone again.
They're gone again. The Sharpies all have flattened tips.
Have you seen the scissors, miss?
I can't find the paper clips.
Where have all the staplers gone?
This has been Silly Songs with Larry. Tune in next time to hear Bob say,
Hey, Larry, you want to go to lunch? Sure. Where are we going? Oh, there's my prince.